Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a YouTube classic for you, a what's in my bag. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm carrying in my new Chanel mini rectangular flap. I'm so happy to finally have added this bag to my collection. So let's just get into it. So this is the Chanel classic mini rectangular flap, and I'm going to show you everything I'm carrying in it. So there's everything down in the bag. So first thing I have in the back is my iPhone. I have the iPhone XS Max. This is my iPhone. To be honest with you, I don't usually have my iPhone in my purse. I just wanted to put it in there so you guys can see that it does fit on top of everything else that I carry in the bag. So that's why I pulled it out first. Usually my phone is in my hands or in my pocket. So here's everything else down in the bag. Let's start with my wallet. So this is my Saint Laurent card case. I've shared this with you guys on my channel before. I use this as a wallet. Don't even own a full-size wallet anymore. This is the next best thing. It helps me keep my cards and cash organized, but it's definitely sleek and small. So I love using that, and yeah, I don't see myself going back to a traditional wallet anytime soon. So the next thing in there are my keys. So this is my Louis Vuitton 4-key ring holder, and I just houses my keys. So I have my car keys, my house key, and all. But I just wanted to give you guys a tip. When you are using an all leather bag like this, like my bag is leather even on the inside, in order to preserve your bag and preserve the leather, definitely consider using something like this as your key holder, because your keys will constantly scrape and scratch the inside of an all leather bag. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. That's one of the reasons why I do have a key holder, is to protect my handbags from the scratches that my keys would leave behind. Doesn't have to be a Louis Vuitton key holder, but definitely consider a key holder if you are using an all leather bag. Next thing I have is my all-time favorite hand cream. This is my L'Occitane Shea hand cream. Like, this is the classic one. Guys, I think this has been in every single what's in my bag video I've ever filmed. I always have several tubes of this. Just hand down best hand cream. Just go get you some. You have to try it. Next thing I have is some hand sanitizer. So this is just hand sanitizer. I mean, nothing fabulous there. I still have a few items down in the bottom. The next thing is this little case that I got from Muji, and you know, just has like Tylenol and the basics. Guys, I have two more items in the bottom of my bag. The next thing is this Super Goop setting mist, and this has SPF 50. Are you guys up on Super Goop? That's number one, because they have definitely changed the SPF game. They've made SPF more interesting, and they've incorporated SPF and other beauty products, which I think is awesome. This is a setting mist, and it helps really refresh your makeup and give you a nice little matte refreshed look throughout the day. But the purpose of it is adding SPF on top of your makeup, so it's helping you refresh your SPF, and this just gives you the finest mist, so it's so easy to apply. Definitely like carrying this around. This was a sample size that I received, but I also purchased the full size of the product, which is still small enough to carry in a handbag. So definitely check this out. My last thing is a lipstick. This is actually a mini Fenty Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Mademoiselle. This is just my go-to vampy red lipstick. Not wearing it today, but usually I'm wearing this lip. It's just the perfect vampy red for me. And it's so cute. Like, this is gorgeous. This is also like a mini travel size of the lipstick, but the full size lipstick as well is very sleek and small. So love that. And that's it, guys. I cannot tell you guys how much I am loving carrying my Chanel mini flap. I mean, it's stunning. I'm going to give you an overview of the bag. So it's obviously a flap. So the main compartment, in all leather, it has one like flap in the back and then one zipper compartment in the back. I don't use the zipper compartment, or haven't used it at all really. You can put like cash or cards, extra cards back there. You also have this back pocket, which honestly I don't use either. I've only put like movie tickets in there when I've gone to the movies a couple of times carrying this bag. Otherwise, I don't use it often. Now keep in mind, this bag is still fairly new, so I am being quite delicate and careful when I'm carrying it. So I'm very kind of organized with how I pack this bag. All right, guys, tell me what you think. I think that's quite a bit that I can carry around in my mini flap. I mean, considering it is a mini bag, I still am carrying all my essentials from lipstick to hand sanitizer to SPF. So I feel like I fit quite a bit in my bag considering it is a mini. And that's it. That's my what's in my Chanel mini rectangular flap bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, as always, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.